Today, I'm going to show you how to make a tassel garland using yarn, just like this. Welcome to my channel! The materials we're going to need are pearl beads, thread that can fit through the beads, a book, scissors, any color of yarn, and tape. This is optional. It just helps me out on the first part. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to cut a little piece of yarn. Okay, like that. Actually, remember that this tape helps me out. Okay, take a little piece and put it on the yarn and put it on the spine of the book. And do that to the same end of the book. After you've done that, wrap the yarn around the book. You can do it how many times you ever want, but I'm going to do it 35 times. After, cut it right now, here. Then take it off right here and tie a knot. Okay. One knot here. My mom's helping me on this part. Okay, there. And then after, on the other side of the book, cut it right there. There. And then you have it. Ta-da! Then cut another small piece of yarn. Okay. Like this. Then tie a knot there. Okay, and there you have a tassel. And I'll trim it a little because I have some that's long. Okay. Now we're gonna put the beads through the thread. Like that. After I got enough beads, I can tie a knot right here. After I tied a knot, I have this remaining yarn. So what I'm gonna do is pull it down like that and cut another piece of yarn. Then you are going to tie a knot. This is how it looks when it's all done. I added the pearl beads because I think it looks pretty. Okay guys, I'm done for today. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!